Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to see if a Facebook page is running Facebook ads or not. It's super easy process to check any page is running ads or not. First of all, you have to go to the page profile. Once you're here, click on About and click on Page Transparency, and here scroll down. Here you will get this message. This page is currently running ads. If you see this message, it means this page is currently running ads. And if you want to see ad library for this page, then click on See All. And here scroll down. Under ads from this page section, you will get this option, go to Ad Library. Just click on that. And in this page, make sure to select ads, and here scroll down, and here you will get all ads those are showing in this page. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.